And this comes for 2.4. I apologize. I'm a little struggling emotionally today. Today has not been an easy day for me. But I'm trying to get this done because I'm trying to obviously get credit for the class and not fail. The first question or task that you want us to do is prove the admin user has sudo privileges. And I don't know where I went wrong, but I've tried everything to figure out where I made a mistake to give them privileges. But for some reason, it doesn't have privileges. And I don't know where I went wrong. So maybe somebody can help me with that. 2, display your welcome file. Again, don't know what you're asking me for. I have a welcome to Ubuntu, but I'm pretty sure that's not the file you're looking for. Yeah, I just as to it being up to date, it's definitely up to date because I ran all the stuff that you asked me to run. As you can clearly see, here's all my updates, all the things that updated. So I'm trying, and I get a little bit figured out. One thing I think we need to point out, or I struggled with, was the fact that when you're in Nano or VI, that in order to exit, you have to hit Control X or Control and the letter or Control and that. That little symbol before those X's I didn't know was Control, and I struggled and I struggled and I struggled, and I couldn't figure out why I was stuck. Stuck in that screen, stuck, until I finally Googled what that symbol meant for Ubuntu, and it said Control. So then that's when I figured out I could use Control X and get out of Nano or get out of 5. So that's what I was able to do. So you might want to point that out to everybody else in the class, or maybe you want us to stumble to figure that out. I didn't feel it was very fair that we had to stumble to figure that out, but there you go. I prefer Nano over VI. Nano's a lot easier to use. Your other question was how do man and info pages help Linux administrators? Man is the general commands for the system, where info basically tells you about certain things in the system. So they're both beneficial to administrators because they kind of help you to walk through what you're trying to do or what you're trying to learn. Yeah, there you go. Thank you.